Hi and welcome to another Tabitha's Glass Emporium video. I know it's been a while, but we have our new fantastic poppy mix out, which we do as a limited edition every year at this time of year for Remembrance Sunday. And this is on our website now and you can buy this. But today I wanted to show you how we made this. So I've got a poppy I like here and I'm cutting it up. Now I'm making sure that I'm making the petals a little bit smaller than they actually are because I want them to sit apart, so that I'm literally sort of cutting out at an angle from there and cutting out at an angle from there. And then again with this one I'll need to just cut a little bit off it like that to make sure that I have that. So I'm going to do the same here. And once I've got my template I'm going to use a piece of Tector. And I'm going to draw, all four of them onto the piece of Tector and then cut them out. Now I'm going to do one poppy that's smaller, which will be draped to be a tea light holder, and I'm going to do one bigger one that's going to be slumped. So I'm going to get those petals ready. I'm not worrying about the middle. The middle I'm going to do with the design on top of this glass. I'm going to use frit to create a design on top. is fired. We're now going to put it in this kiln and slump it into this mould. So here's this out of the kiln, and what we're going to do is we've cut a piece of 1mm fibre paper. That's the very thinnest fibre paper. I always cut into it a bit so it can fall down more easily, and it will go on a kiln post like so into the kiln, and then we will drape it over that. So here it is, beautifully slumped and out of the kiln. Really love the feel of this bowl. I think it's kind of quirky, it's quite organic. You always have this thing when slumping, particularly something like this, and it's slumped slightly off centre, but I love that. I think it really feels like a kind of poppy. And the nice thing is when you hold it up, you kind of see it through both sides because we've used the Tector glass rather than opal. Yeah, I'm super pleased with this piece and really happy with how it turned out. Remember, you can now get this poppy mix on our website right now. It's a limited edition. We do it at this time of year for Remembrance Sunday. It's a cause close to my heart, and I always believe that we should, let us not forget those who died to make our freedoms a possibility. And so this is my kind of homage to that. And yeah, I really enjoyed making this piece. I hope you've enjoyed this one, and until next time, happy fusing.